Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Unity with my next installment of Color Combos with Crystal. Today I have this really sweet card, perfect for Valentine's Day, with 3 colors and 1 stamp set. You probably already own or would want to own Grow Truly, and this is a beautiful stamp set with a large floral and really sweet sentiments. We're going to begin by stamping our image onto the matching cardstock of Pink Pirouette and the ink color Pink Pirouette. As you will see, I will not be using an acrylic block. I love Unity's large stamps because you don't need it. They're so firm that allow you to do this. I'm going to stamp the floral image on the card base and then the card panel that we're going to be die cutting here shortly. Now this smaller card panel, we're going to be die cutting with the Hero Arts Heart die cut. I'm going to run that twice to my die cutting machine, and then I'm going to cut it out and take out all those itty bitty pieces. Once we've cut that heart out, we're going to go ahead and use the card base, and we're going to place that onto the card panel. I like to use foam, and I like to adhere the foam part onto the card panel and then use the sticky back to adhere the other side. This will save you on the large foam adhesive that can be expensive, and you can always get this foam anywhere. Now we're going to move on to our die cut that we have cut. I have put some adhesive onto the heart, and then using sequins, I'm going to just sprinkle over the glue. This is going to create like a faux shaker, and then I'm going to flip that over and I'm going to glue that onto the card panel that we have created. Due to the fact that the negative of the die cut is raised, makes it a really nice effect. Now we're going to move on to creating our sentiment ribbon. I am using the stamp set You Are Loved Darling from Grow Truly. This set was created from Lisa Arana and is one of my favorites. We're going to heat emboss the You Are Loved Darling in a rose gold embossing powder onto Melon Mambo cardstock. Once our embossing powder has cooled off, we're going to go ahead and trim that sentiment ribbon. Before that, I'm going to add some pink ribbon off to the side, and then using sticky back foam adhesive, I'm going to place that over my card panel to give it a raised look. I really love this stamp background from the Grow Truly. Those florals